When I click on login to go into my iControl software, I click there, and this will take me to the website. In this training video, we're going to be discussing the daily sales report, and it's available, and all we have to do to get to it is we click on sales and covers, click on this daily sales report, and that opens up into the report. The daily sales report will give you a recap of yesterday's business. The report will allow you to select one day or a period of days upon your choosing. If you have multiple stores, again, you can select the one store, or the report has a feature you can consolidate all of your stores into one daily sales report. One more unique feature that I will show you is in each section. If you click on the three horizontal lines, you can actually drill into your data and get to the menu items or even check level detail in your loss prevention section. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily sales report. Included in the report will be your sales categories. First of all, as I said before, we have the date. We can click on the date. If you wanted to get, say, last week, all we'd have to do here is click that icon. You can say, I want for yesterday, this week, or last week. In this case, we'll just leave it the way it is. So we'll go ahead and cancel out of there so that we have yesterday. And then over here where you have your store and your store access, if you click the down arrow, if you had multiple stores, you could choose a store, or as I said, you can click on the consolidated. Or for what we're going to be doing, we'll just leave it on Altoona. In this section right here, the very first section, you have your major category of beer and you have your major category of food. Included in the food are all these minor categories. And as I said, we have a unique feature where you can click on the three horizontal lines. You can go into the sales mix. We will look at food and we'll just click on that major category. We can drill to the next level down, which would be your minor categories. And let's say we wanted to find out what was the number one appetizer for yesterday. All you have to do is just click on that appetizer row and drill to the menu items. Once you get to this screen, and we want to do it by the quantity sold, we just click that arrow there, we click on descending, and now you can see summer rolls was your number one selling item. To get back, all we have to do is close the tab. Now below our sales, it'll give you these totals in here, paid outs, charge tips, etc. And what it will do is it will tell you, so the total accountable for that day, $6,979.48. Below the total accountable, you have your media, and this is all the media that was used to pay for all the tickets from yesterday. And it gives you a recap here, and then below, if you have house total, charge total, and it ends up, and it gives you your adjusted cash for the day, and this is the amount of cash you should have on hand. So in this case, we had more charge sales than we did cash, and our cash, we had a deficit of $294.37. Below the adjusted cash, we have our discounts. As I said before, we can drill down to check level detail. So let's go ahead. I see this 100% waste. I'm curious about that. All you have to do again is click on the three horizontals, go to discounts, and there's that waste. All we got to do is click on that row, and we can drill down to the check. Felix did the check, and we show the detail. We can see that the 100% waste reason, Papa, whatever that means. But as you can see, we can get down to check level detail, which is very important. And so I'll go ahead and close out of that section. And then the rest of the report, it shows you, will show you your taxes, your serving period, to go, and order type. And the last thing you might want to do is, if you want to go ahead and print the report or put it in Excel, all we have to do is click on the 9 dots, and you can click the PDF and make it a PDF. You can send it and create an Excel spreadsheet, or you can actually schedule the report so that it will go out every day at a certain time. And over here, you would go ahead and put the daily sales report. For yesterday, I want to have the report go out tomorrow. Send every day, the time of day you want it to send, and then down here you can just add your recipients, and you would enter in email, save it, and you would be done. This concludes the daily sales report, one of your most powerful reports in your system.